got 21 bullets inside of this clip and I'm ready to unload this bitch. You put
This is going to be a little tricky situation. I'm going to be giving her a gap filler, so I'm going to be using this for her gap filler. A very small amount. You don't need much. I'm talking about like a pinch. Pinch of this, and then we got to get I got the A and the B together. We have to get that. Okay, these are her bottoms. These is her tops. Boom. Just need a pinch. Don't need much, just a pinch. Okay, and I have to take these two pieces and mix them together because they belong together. I'm going to be carving out a necklace very, very soon too. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so this is what we got here. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this in between her teeth and let this dry. We want it flat. We want it flat. Okay. Then we're going to put it to the back. I'm going to take out all the excess. This is going to get cement hard. Okay. And this is also how you can do missing teeth. Okay. So I will teach you guys that if you need to know. And if you don't know, now you know. I'm going to lay it flat. We don't want nothing to distract us. So let's go ahead and take things off that we don't need. Rome. Sorry, y'all. Someone's at my phone. Hey, somebody's at the front door. I just heard camera recording. Who is that? All right. I think that's going to be it. I just want to make sure everything is flat and not okay, well, bring the package in. Amazon again. All right, there we go. So we're gonna let that dry and come back and do the waxing. All right, so wasn't recording. But if I wasn't recording, what I went ahead and did, I shaped it up, buffed it on out, and now we're going to be doing the bezel. I think I'm going to put a opal here, maybe, the opal here, a heart opal. I'm going to be putting a heart on the middle of this, and coating it and putting it over there to get casted. I'm not for sure if I recorded that part, and if I didn't, please forgive me, because I thought I was recording. I don't know yet. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna be putting, I want to do a bezel around this. Okay. Let me position this out my way so I can see. So I can see what I'm doing. I might need to put on my lights, glasses. Yep. I'm gonna put them on because I can't really see. And I need these. I need them. I'll put them on now. So I need to see what I'm doing. Okay. And that way I can see what, yep, I can see what I'm doing. Bring this on up because I need to see what I'm doing. I want this a little bit sticking up so I can inlay the opal in there. And if you want to learn how to inlay an opal, once again, you can purchase the book or even take the classes. Just don't want to drop. Why don't this want to drop? Oh, yeah. Gotta get it right. Gotta get it to drop. That is the normal height. I'm gonna make it even. As you can see, one side over here is not as even as it should be. So we're gonna heighten that up to get it even. I like to make sure there's no dips. Drop. There she go. That one's a little bit high, so now I gotta continue till I get everything about that same. It's dropping slowly. That same height. Definitely not the same height down at the bottom. Just, I believe, it's one more round. Come on now and drop. All right. I think what I'm gonna do is, let's see. Yep, I'm gonna put a little heart on this tooth as well. I'm about to put a 3D heart on this tooth. And I'm gonna color it in. I'll take just a little bit off. We're gonna, don't worry about how it looks right now because we can shape it to the best look ever. Remember that, we can shape it. So, let me see how high. I want it just a little bit higher. I'm going to stick off this here mold higher than that. See, when you got these bubbles, it's hard to get out. You have to put another piece of melted wax in there. Just like so. That's what you got to do. Okay, let's go ahead and shape this here. I'm gonna shape it. I will, so my phone is getting ready to die. So I am going to stop here, and you guys see it. I'm just going to clean it up, and then we're going to get it off to casting.